Hi, this is Amit Petkar here, and I'll be walking you through today's price action analysis of Bank Nifty futures using a 1 minute candlestick chart. And I'll be going with every single bar and what information it is telling us that can be used to decide whether we want to take a trade or not. Uh, you see that green uh, dark line or the bold line, that's the high of yesterday, which is Monday 21st September. Price opened just a few ticks below, but bulls immediately bought the open and pushed the prices up above yesterday's high. They couldn't sustain it there. Bears booked profits or sold at that high, or bulls booked the profit who had been holding the position from yesterday, and that gave this tail. So first bar has a big tail on top. Second bar, you see that bears immediately sold the close of bar 1, which is the bullish bar, but bears try to take the control immediately and try to push the prices below yesterday's high, which is a possible resistance. Okay, bears did try, but the price did not close below yesterday's high. Okay, so bulls are still able to hold their ground. Bar 3 opened within bar two's range, pushed the prices up, ticked above bar 2 high, but failed there and tried to push the prices down. And bar closed as a doji bar or a spinning top bar, and it was a bearish close. Still, we're not sure which way the price is headed, so we wait for further price action clues. Just that we know that bulls are able to hold a ground, so possibly bulls are a bit stronger than bears. The fact that it opened uh, about yesterday or near about there and it's trying to push the prices up. Okay, that's why you see that bar 4 there was a gap up between close of bar 3 and bar 4 open. It is a shaved bar, no tails at the top and bottom, so that shows that bulls own that bar and they really try to push the prices up. Bar 5, again same thing, good follow through, and now it is coming close to bar 1 high. So we know that bar 1 established a range, bar 2 failed to go below bar 1's low. Now we need to see what happens at bar 1 high level, because that could prove to be a resistance, right? Bar 6 tried to push the prices up, did manage to close above bar 1 high, so possibly bulls are able to hold their ground. Bar 7, a doji bar, so that's an indecision, which is not a good sign that there's no follow through. So we see if we get a breakout pullback opportunity above bar 1 high. uh, Bar 8, bears try to take the control, push the prices below bar 1 high, but couldn't close below that. But bar 9 did manage to push the prices down good enough so that the bullishness is soaked up, right? Bar 9 did close uh, near its low, so bears are trying to take control, but we still wait for the price action. What uh, uh, the bar's tail as of now is that we had failures at both ends of bar 1, so this is a possible trading range day, and that's an important clue that we have received. That is what will help us decide which trades to take, because if it's a trading range day, we don't want to be trading in between the range. We want to trade the failures, and we most probably won't get any swing trades, right? So that helps us in decision making and choose the trades wisely, because trading range day could kill by putting a lot of bad trades, right? So bar 10, 11 and 12, bulls try to take control, 3 consecutive bars. So possibly bears were also not strong yet, but bar 13, bears exerted the pressure, and there's a failure at bar 1 high, which clearly shows that bulls are not strong either. So this is a trading range price action that is being shown. Bar 14, bulls tried to hold the price, making higher lows, but it's a weak close, and bar 15 just poked above bar 14 high, and did not uh, manage to close or go above bar 1's high. Bears tried to push the prices down, and it was a bearish close. Now you see a triangle pattern, which is bar uh, 6, which is this bar, is the first push up. Bar 12 or 13 is the second push up. This bar 15 is another attempt by the bulls to push the prices up, but they all are failing around this area, which is bar 1's high. So that's a 3 pushes up. Now what we see is that with this price action, bulls are not able to hold at this level. This is a possible trading range day, so at least we can look at a failure and short trade, and it will take us towards the end of bar 2 low, right? So we short below bar 14 low, okay, uh, which will be triggered in bar 17. That is where we enter the short trade, and it is a nice close, so entry seems to be going on well. Then there is bar 18, which is a strong bear bar with shaved uh, no tails at top and bottom, so bears did manage to push the prices down well enough, right? So we entered around 17,603.75, which is low is 17,604, so somewhat below that bar, and we will look to exit around 17,574 or 3. Okay, so this bar came close to hitting that profit target, but could not hit it yet. Be patient, wait for further price action to develop. Okay, do not make mid bar decisions. Bar 19, bulls try to hold above the yesterday high, that was a possible support, uh, but bar 20, bears gap down and sold the close of bar 19, and that shows that bears were not allowing the bulls to take a charge, right? And that gave us the target of 30 points at least. Okay, this being a trading range day, we're not looking at uh, uh, much profit. Here we risked 10 points and made 30 points. After that, you can see that there's a failure at bar 1 low range, and then bulls tried to push the prices up, but once it is an established trading range day, I'm looking at failures to be taken only as second entry trades, not the first failure immediately, just to be on the safer side. Okay, that was the only trade that I took today. Hope this analysis helped. Thank you.